Hi, I'm James from Capable, and today I'm going to show you how to set a minimum number of approvers on a page. A really important feature because it means that you're not waiting around on everyone to approve when legislation or policy says that you only need 3, 4, 5 amount of approvers. And show you how to set an expiry for an approval on a page. A really important feature when legislation or policy enacts that perhaps an employee handbook needs to have a consistent review process every 2 weeks, month, year, however long you want to set your expiry date for. So let's get started. It might be the case that I might want to ask for approval from 5 people, but only need approval from 2 of those people to register the page as approved. So to do that, I can select the colleagues that I want the approval from. I'm going to go up to the options panel and I can change the minimum number of approvers here. So at the moment, it needs 5 approvals to be registered as approved. But I might want to change this to 3 so that, rhetorically speaking, if only Dave, Steve and Maria approved and the other 2 people didn't, it would still count as approved. Saying that, if you put the minimum rejections up to 5, then it would need everyone to reject the page for it to be counting as rejected. So I'm just going to put that up to 5 and this up to 2. Let's put that up to 4. And also here you can see you can set an expiry date on the approval. So I can maybe put a month after it's approved. It's then up for another approval cycle. And this is really important with companies that have an eye on policy, because there are some requirements, legal requirements, that mean that companies have to have a consistent approval process month to month, perhaps on an employee handbook or perhaps on some guidelines that they're abiding by. So let's do that. And then I can send those requests. And you can see here, it's perfectly visualizing both the approval thresholds, but also the expiry. Again, if I was to change this, it would look like that. So there you have it. I can click send request. That'll send it off. The colleagues will receive this through email and Slack, and you can see it's pending there. So now I've logged in as Dave. So he was one of the requested approvers. So pretending I'm Dave, I go back onto the employee handbook. I click up here and I can see that I have this pending approval, and this will tell me that this response is required. So I'll click on respond, and here I can leave a comment. So Dave might say, really like it, however, not a fan of the dress code, would like to wear shorts into board meetings. Now, Dave often wears shorts. In fact, he's hardly ever seen without his shorts on, but it's over the years, it's started to grind a lot of his colleagues down, which is why this new code of conduct was implemented into the dress code. I mean, he's actually read through the employee handbook quite thoroughly and picked up on it. So fair play to him, but he might want to dispute this. So he's going to reject this. You can see here that it says rejected, but he's only one person, so it hasn't meant that this page is completely rejected. For the page to be completely rejected, it would require another 3 rejections, and only he has responded so far. So there you have it, how to set a minimum number of approvers on a page and how to set an expiry for an approval on a page. Tune in next time where I'll be showing how to add an approval banner onto a page. Thanks.